With the support of the South African National Lottery and the Department of Sports and Recreation, South Africa, South African Sailing, SAS, have commissioned the building of 28 TSL 14 boats, a customized version of the well-known 420 dinghy. South African Sailing believe the TSL boat is the ideal team sailing boat, with a design phase focused on creating an amazing sailing experience. The Team Sailing League was launched on the 9th of September 2017. The exhibition took place at Milnerton Aquatic Club in Cape Town. Designed to be sailed by a helmsman and crew, the boats are quick and agile and handle well in all sailing conditions. Two teams of up to 3 boats compete against each other in equally matched 2-person sailing boats. The 2 teams will race to achieve a winning combination of places. One boat in the team winning the race will not guarantee victory. The sail plan consists of a modern main and jib configuration, ideal for team sailing. Features including a simple deck layout, raised boom, and separate tow straps for helm and crew to allow for different crew configurations. All TSL 14s are fitted with rubber bow bumpers, sealed masts, and a main sail reef point for safety. The boats are easy to sail, making them ideal for team sailing and teaching new converts to sail. Each race will last between 7 to 10 minutes. The start and finish will be through the same line at the committee boat between the mast of the committee boat and a small orange buoy. The committee boat will fly an orange flag to signal it is in place to start races. And when finishing a race, it will fly a blue flag. Boats must have started over the start line no later than 2 minutes after the start signal. If not over the line in time, they will not be allowed to start the race, and this will count against them in points. On the course, the TSL boats must pass the buoys marking the course to their left, port roundings. The boat in first place will have to go back and assist his teammates to improve their positions by slowing down the opposition team's boats. There are 2 ways to do this. A sailor may position his boat between the wind and his opponent's. In doing so, he is blocking the wind to his opposition's sails, thus slowing his opposition down. By using the right-of-way rules to his advantage, a sailor approaches his opponent in such a way that his adversary has to change course. Failing to do so will incur a penalty. A short sound signal will acknowledge the boats crossing the finish line and in doing so finishing the race. All other boats must finish within 3 minutes of the first boat crossing the finish line. If they cross the line afterwards, they will not be awarded points for a finished race.